2000 5.4 comes in with the misfires on cylinder 1 and 3. What we're gonna do first is swap coils and see if the misfire follows the coils around. So we swapped 1 and 2 with each other and 3 and 4 with each other. The misfire did not follow the coils, so we're gonna pull spark plugs next. No surprise here, started with cylinder 3, half a turn, and spark plug was already out, so it's blown out. That wasn't the original complaint. The customer really thought 1 was blown out, but it was not. However, so we threw the Healy coil in cylinder 3, permanent one. It's got the grooves up here so it doesn't back out. That one's set. So we're gonna move on to cylinder 1 since cylinder 3 misfire is now gone. All right, so big problem here. Pulled out cylinder 1. You can see right here, it's wet. So immediately got the camera out. You can see it's wet there. All right, so as you can see, we put it under pressure. Got it up to 20 psi in the cooling system. Got it right here. You can see it's starting to drip, forming right there. So it's no real easy fix for this to actually do it the right way. You gotta do a head job. Customer might not be able to afford it. You might just want to throw some Blue Devil in there. But this is still common problems on a 5.4, especially this old, this many miles, this worn out. But needless to say, we can fix anything, we'll figure it out.